Hello flower lovers, this is Joan of Art and welcome to my channel. Before we start the tutorial, I want you to join me having my nails done. Let's go! Hi Kat! Here are my beautiful nail technicians. Say hi! They are a bit camera shy, but they are so fun and so accommodating. Thanks Miss Jen for touring us around and being a cameraman for me for a day. See how hardworking they are? Bravo girls! I got a new ride! After relaxing, let's go back to work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is the final look of my nails. Thank you Nails Gallery. For today's video, I will be teaching you on how to make a super easy headband using this flower. Stay tuned! So we will be needing this chrysanthemum. I like this color, it's like my nails. Scissors, ribbon, and a glue gun. This process is so easy, even the kids can do it. I choose this flower chrysanthemum because it's so cheap and so easy to use. We just need one stem of chrysanthemum that has a lot of blooms. You don't need too much tools on cutting the flower. Your hands can easily do it. This flower is not sensitive, so it's easy to use and so manageable. We only need 7 blooms. Different sizes is better. Take your ribbon and we are starting to glue every flower in the ribbon. But first, cut your ribbon on your desired length. Take the center, mark it. Then check what is the biggest bloom because we will be putting it in the center. Make sure that there is no stem on the flower, so it's easy to be glued. Once you got the center, it's easy for you to lay out the other flowers. Like I always said, there's no rule on doing this, and you can always do whatever design you want to do. You can lay out it first before gluing. Just repeat the process on the other flowers. Take out the excess glues on the side to make it look cleaner. And you're done. You have your flower headband. I hope you enjoyed watching our video today. Please like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. See ya!